Sony is gearing up for a new cloud gaming push amid rumors of a PlayStation handheld. The Q Lite rumors might make more sense when you consider this. When I consider what? Google Stadia is dead. I guess so when I consider opportunity. It looks like Sony may seriously care about cloud gaming again, despite a recent round of layoffs. Sony is currently hiring 22 roles. That's your indication. They are looking to hire people to, in quotes, develop and deliver the strategic vision for cloud gaming or cloud game streaming at PlayStation. Continuing with the request for resumes. Are you a groundbreaking innovator in the cloud streaming product space? Then you likely agree that cloud gaming is on its way to becoming a major part of the gaming industry. Will, are you a groundbreaking innovator in the cloud streaming product space? Is that you?
I wouldn't say so.
No.
Although I feel like all the Stadia people are taking up this job.
You calling them groundbreaking?
Yeah, I would say so.
NVIDIA's probably got a couple of them because they were doing, what were they
Sure.
doing? They were doing, what is their game streaming platform? I can never remember the name of it. NVIDIA, GeForce Now. Here's an idea. Why don't you come and play some GeForce Now? Now? Like, you mean like right now? No, it's the name of the product, Now. No waiting. Play. You know what's better than playing later? Play GeForce Now.
GeForce.
Yeah. People like it. People like it. It works pretty good. Actually, Stadia worked pretty good until they were like, we don't want to be doing these games. This stuff is hard, man.
Yeah.
They were like, they started to realize they were a PR disaster around the corner. They're like, game studios, building games. Everyone hates us. Let's get out of here. Building games is hard. I actually put an article in today, though, about how AI is going to do it anyway. It's already starting to lop up all those jobs.
Oh, boy.
This clip you just watched is sponsored by LaterCase. If you have been looking for an impossibly thin case to put on your brand new smartphone, you need to check out LaterCase, available for both Android and iPhone. Check the description of this clip in order to get a special offer.